What the fuck is going on here?
What?
Dude, what is this? Dude, look at this person stuck? What the hell is that? What the fuck? Alright, are you fucking doing dishes?
See, I was trying to do it before.
Son of a bitch! Wow! Oh my god. You a real cowboy.
Go shield, just jump down right in front of somebody.
Some boost account. I didn't even see him!
You saved my life! You both saved my fucking life!
You saved me. Got poop gas. Damn, Dan's just taking it in the face. Got him. Oh, what do you know? Dude, I could take this guy out.
Well, I think you can. You got a clear shot too.
Yep. Broke his shield.
Where is he at?
Target over there.
Dead. Knocked.
Enemy down.
Bitch. Oh, sh**.
What?
I just got one-shotted in the f***ing head. Holding my hand? Hold my hand here. Oh, hold my hand.
There it is. There.
You should learn how to play the f***ing game.
2. 3.
There you go. Oof. Oof. One more. Get him out of Nice, dude. Got him. Yeah. Oh!
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Oh, this guy's cheating for sure. Couldn't handle the hackers. Oh my god. Yeah, he's shooting through the rocks and everything. Oh my gosh.
13 kills.
Look at that. I don't know what's... Wow. Wow, he's so good, bro. God, he's so good. What an amazing player. So much win. Oh. You cheat and you still lose. I got a select fire receiver for you.
I'm not gonna lie!
Woo! There we go!
I want you for my sweet angel. So help me, Jesus.
Oh yeah, he got in there real.
Jesus.
Wow, that was a little gay, but you know, I still feel it. How's he not dead? Dude. Well, we passed that one. Now it's about a good time to drop. Okay, might as son of a bitch, because you're doing fucking dishes again. I heard him.
I'm making my lunch for tomorrow.
Oh my god.